Good morning. This is a nice morning in my village, Astor, Momin Abad. You see this all area is my village. Alhamdulillah, I am very happy. I come here from Iskadu to Gilgit, Gilgit to Astor, Astor to here. And you see this is very beautiful morning, I think 5 a.m. here. And this is a river of Astor. Very clear water, very tasty water, and from these areas people very happy. Therefore, little bit cold and little bit hot season at this time here. This is morning time. I am here. Little bit cold weather. I wear my jacket and trouser and shalwar kameez. Okay, you see this is a water. You see zoom. I give you this picture. You see this is a water. Okay, Alhamdulillah, very beautiful and nice water. Greenery everywhere. Everywhere greenery, greenery, greenery. This is I think some apricot trees, some white trees are available here around me. This is ice. You see top of the mountains, ice available at this time here. Therefore, little bit cold water, and this is long mountains. You see, very nice and beautiful height. Maybe many times, maybe 100 times I crossed this mountain before the I think the 2095, 2002 and 2003. Before this, 95, 96. And 96, 98, that time, many time I crossed these mountains. Alhamdulillah, this is a nice video for you, for everybody. Thank you, like and subscribe my this video.